Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to test different types of rectifiers and learn how to check them outside the circuit using a digital multimeter in diode test mode. First, set your digital multimeter to diode test mode. This mode helps us measure the forward voltage drop of the internal diodes. Place the black probe on the positive pin of the rectifier and the red probe on the negative pin. A healthy rectifier usually shows a voltage drop of around 1 volt. Now, keep the red probe in place and move the black probe to one AC pin. You should read about 0.5 volts. Repeat for the other AC pin. The result should be the same. When you connect the probes to both AC pins, there should be no conduction at all. The multimeter must show OL, or infinity. In this test, we checked rectifiers like 1N4007 diode bridge, DB107S, W10M, KBP06M, and several unbranded or suspicious rectifiers.
One fake rectifier showed reversed positive and negative pins. This proves why using original components is critical in repairs. Many technicians rely only on the printed markings and don't test the rectifier before installing it. This can cause wrong polarity, circuit failure, and even bigger damage. That's it for this quick rectifier test guide. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel.